Hey CCSU, I wanted to show you how you can use Collaborate to run your office hours. Not my original idea. Many colleagues have emailed me about this and even brought it up how they would do it in sessions that we've had for training, and I want to just put this together and show you how it's done. So, I log into Blackboard, I choose my course, and I go to my Blackboard Collaborate tab. And we're going to use the general course room that's available for students to click and meet with you for office hours. So I'm going to edit the course room, and if I don't want the students to access it via Blackboard, if alternatively you could create guest access, which makes a link, and then the students just need to have that link, and so that link is standard for the entire semester. So if anyone has that link, they can join your office hours. Alternatively, if guest access is off, they would access the room the same way you would by clicking on that option in Blackboard and joining the course room. Now there's one feature that you can use to lock the course room here if you had students join and you didn't want anyone else to be in the room, so that you'd have a private session with you and the student. So if I lock the course room, now anyone that's already in the room is there and it's private, no one else can join. So I'm going to switch over to my course room, and I already have 3 students in here with me, and what I did was I opened up the whiteboard. So I'm sharing a blank whiteboard, and I just wrote some text. Welcome to office hours, you're in the waiting room, please hang tight, I'll be with you shortly. Because there's 2 things you can do with office hours. One, you could lock the room so that no one else can join, or you could create breakout groups, which gives you privacy. So I'm just going to create a breakout group session. I'm going to do custom assignment. I do not want people to switch groups because I want to control. And then, just to be a little fancy and organized, I'm going to call group 1 office hours. And so I know Beast wants to meet with me because I kicked him out of a session the other day. So I'm going to just move myself and Beast into office hours breakout room. Start the breakout room. And so now I'm in a private group with Beast, and you can see that because we're in the office hours breakout, myself and Beast, and then Cyclops and Storm are in the main room. And so if my office hours are unlocked as a course room, anyone can join and I will see them come into the main room. And I could even go over to chat and make sure that I chat with everyone if for some reason I wanted to say, hey, I'm here. And then one more feature, I can move people or manipulate the groups from here. So let's say students still want to hang out. I can simply manipulate and move. So I can take Beast, click on the 3 dots. I can move Beast to another group. This gives me my drag and drop. So now I'm going to move Beast back to the main room, and I'm going to meet with Storm. So I'm going to drag Storm down to office hours. Once I click update, everyone moves. And you can see that from the pop-ups. Now Storm is with me, and I'm all set. So I hope this is helpful. Thank you.